do we need, Mama?
Great question. So we're going to need a gallon-size Ziploc bag along with the Angel Food cake mix.
And this one is for Aaliyah.
Yes, and then a cake mix of your choice. Aaliyah chose this one. You can probably guess why. But she chose the Funfetti strawberry cake and cupcake mix with candy bits.
And it got a unicorn in it.
Yes, it has a unicorn, and you love unicorns, right?
And in the back, ice cream unicorn.
Oh yeah.
Which one's in it?
Yes. So you can choose whichever one you want. And then we also have the frosting, and Aaliyah chose this one as well. The rainbow chip, the original kind. And lastly, we need water.
What is this, Mama? You forgot this.
Oh, this is a 1 tablespoon measuring thing. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add all the dry ingredients in this Ziploc bag. So do you want to help me? Yeah, let's get started.
Now let's put the food in there. Food.
The dry ingredients, okay? So go ahead and open it. You want to put it over here? I'll get up so everybody can see.
Whoa.
Okay. So the Angel Food cake mix first.
This one is for you, Mama.
Let's go ahead and take this out.
Like the whole thing. So drop it. Now. Whoa.
Go ahead and hold it, Mama. That's your job. To hold the bag.
Look at that.
Okay, and you have it all in there.
Now, Aaliyah one.
You have the Aaliyah one. This is the Funfetti one.
This is the pink one. I got pink and Mama got white.
This is pink. Okay.
Whoa, look at the pink. You got,
Mama.
ooh, I got some sprinkles. Yay. You can taste one of my sprinkles and you too, Daddy.
Yeah, it has the candy bits in there already.
Ooh, so good. But we're done. Look at the mix it up.
Okay, so now close it up.
And then you need to put the air out.
And then you fully zip it up. Mix, girl. Good job, Mommy. Keep mixing it.
Mix it.
Mommy's turn.
Emma, my pink one is coming. Emma, the pink one is covering the white.
Yeah, it's mixing very well, isn't it? Yeah. Shake, shake, shake.
It will taste so good. Look, I'm done.
And then you can clearly tell when it's all mixed.
Honestly.
You want to show it to
See
everybody?
everyone?
It's all mixed.
It's all mixed with Mama like.
With Mommy's white cake mix. Alrighty.
Then I cup of cake.
Okay, so now
Let's
open it up.
And toss them in the cup.
Yes, so now we're going to put the cake mix in these mugs. It's going to be 6 tablespoons.
And I can do it by myself.
You can do it by yourself? Okay. Well, how about I give you this and you pour, and then we need to count, okay? So it's going to be 6 per mug. 1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5, and 6. 1. This is the last one. 6.
Okay.
Your turn, Mama.
It's now in my mug. What? 1,
1,
Okay, and we're done with this, so we can go ahead and...
Don't get it in your eyes, Mama.
I won't get it in my eyes, don't worry about that.
And let's save the rest for later.
Yes, we will. Okay, now we are going to add
Water.
water.
And mix it up.
Yes, so it's going to be 4 tablespoons, but we've already pre-measured it in these cups. So go ahead and pour that in there.
Now, I'm gonna put some.
Ooh. And
Now let's mix it up.
Let's mix it up. Mix it, mix it, mix it.
Man, it's turning good.
It's turning good.
Yeah. But I can see some white. So.
It's mixing so good. My turn.
Mama, do the same like mine.
Do the same thing.
Mama, I think you need a little bit more. I got more back. You gotta whip it.
I think it's because of your cup or your mug. It's a different size than mine.
Yeah. I mean, yours is big like mine. Yours is big like mine. It doesn't matter which one. It doesn't matter.
You see?
And we need that.
Oh, not yet.
Not
You're
yet.
skipping a step. You're skipping an important step. Now we are going to put this in the microwave. We are going to put it on high, and it's going to be for 1 minute. Aaliyah, do you want to tell them the safety measures for dealing with the microwave? Go ahead.
Kids, you need your grown-ups. Make sure kids don't put the mug cake by itself. Only the grown-ups, and grown-ups go do it.
All right, let's go do it, adults.
Now let's fix In the meantime, I'm going to play with Aaliyah. Aaliyah, what do you want to do? Nothing, nothing, nothing. I want to talk. Okay. What do you have questions for? Okay. You want to eat some? By yourself? No, no, I'm not talking about that. All of us. Me, Daddy, Mama, me, you. It doesn't me, you. I mean, you. Wow, they look so good and spongy. We gotta wait for they cool down.
Yes.
Wait for a little bit, and let's reheat it.
Just a couple minutes, right? Okay, so now we are going to do the last step, which is putting the frosting. Look at that. Alrighty.
And my
Hold it
picture
for my
help
hair.
me.
Get a lot of it, Aaliyah. Look, go like this, Mama. There we go. And then just spread it on top. And get a little taste if you want. Just put a little bit more. Is it good, Mama? Alrighty, now put some in there.
Try to spread it all in the mug cake.
Alrighty, who's ready to try this?
Me.
You ready? Okay. Make sure you get some cake and frosting. Wait, hold on. Is that just frosting or is that cake?
Let's cake and frosting.
A little bit? Okay. Ready? Mmm.
It's so good, everyone.
Mmm. This is really good. Nice and moist.
So good.
everybody to give this a try? Tell them to give it a try. Tell them how good it is.
Give it a try.
See, it's really good.
It's really good.
Well, thank you all for watching. We really enjoyed making mud cakes. You want to say bye-bye to everybody, Mama?
Bye-bye.
What else?
In the next video.
Yes. We love you guys.
Love you.
Bye-bye.